inventor Trevor Bayliss for how to power a radio will have a life-saving impact in the developing world. Oh, fabulous! That's very nice. It's called the wind-up radio. Trevor Bayliss is one of Britain's most celebrated inventors.
In fact, it was just here I made the wind-up radio. This thing here looks a bit rough, but then it was the first prototype. So you wind it up like that.
His development of the wind-up radio in 1991 has had ripple effects across the developing world.
It was purely chance because I was actually watching a program about the spread of HIV or AIDS in Africa. And they said the only way we could bring the information to those people was through radio, but there was a problem because there wasn't electricity in certain parts of Africa, and batteries were horrendously expensive. People were bartering their maize and their rice in order to obtain batteries. And then all of a sudden, I'm thinking to myself, hang on, I've got an idea. I got onto my DC motor, which kind of reverts becomes a dynamo. I hooked up two wires, which I put to a cheap transistor radio, by chance I had here, which then led to the first radio here.
Trevor Bayliss was a champion swimmer in his youth. He went on to be a stunt double in films, and with the money made as an underwater escape artist in a German circus, Trevor Bayliss built himself a home on Eel Pie Island in the middle of the Thames. Here he built his dream workshop, and it's where he came up with the idea of the wind-up radio.
I got a tremendous number of objections from various people saying, you don't know what you're talking about, like, you know, all that sort of stuff.
A story about the wind-up radio on Tomorrow's World proved a turning point.
Well, what you've got is a box which contains a fairly powerful spring.
After countless rejections on the grounds that his idea was either impossible or impractical, Bayliss would get financial backing and product development support.
So you think there really is a market?
I think there's a tremendous market if it can be, if it can work. Trevor's persuaded us that it does. But also, obviously, if it's marketed at an affordable price.
The design of the prototype was a simple black box. When it was taken to rural Africa to get feedback from potential users, the reactions were phenomenal.
That's super.
Saves electricity.
I like it. I like it. Bigger, smaller? No, I would like it as big as this, but bigger.
A big one. Bigger, a little bit bigger. I like it loud.
Not too loud.
Loud.
This feedback would significantly impact the engineering and the design. It appeared that end users wanted a batteryless radio that was big, heavy, and loud.
I would buy a radio like this.
You people with all these inventions, it's good. I like modern science. Thank you.
Enter spring experts, gear experts, and electrical engineers. After the development and redesign process was complete, the wind-up radio would be manufactured in South Africa. On his first visit to the new factory, Trevor Bayliss was overcome with emotion to see his dream of a wind-up radio